Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build a no-code app with Bravo Studio, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Bravo Studio website and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Click on the New Project button to start a new application. Next, choose a template or select a blank canvas to design your app. If you selected a template, explore the available options tailored to various industries. After selecting your template, you'll be directed to the design workspace. Here, you can customize elements like buttons, images, and text according to your app's needs. To add new components, go to the component panel on the left side. Drag and drop elements onto your canvas to build your layout. Use the inspector panel on the right to adjust styles and properties of each component. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to add data. In the data section, you can connect to APIs or upload CSV files for content management. After setting up your data, configure the interactions for your app. Click on components to set actions like navigation or data manipulation. Preview your app regularly by clicking the preview button at the top right corner. This allows you to see how your changes will appear on different devices. When you're ready to test your app, use the Show Live option to see the real-time performance. Make any final adjustments based on your testing. Once everything looks good, it's time to publish your app. Click on the Publish button and follow the prompts to launch your app. After publishing, share your app link with others to start gathering feedback. With these steps, you've successfully activated and built a no-code app using Bravo Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.